How to fix Roblox launching experience keeps crashing and freezing on mobile device. So the very first thing you want to do is to head over to your app store. In the source bar, search for Roblox. Head over to this application. So right here, instead of open, if it shows the option of update, then your application is not up to date. And it might be one of the reasons that you are facing this issue. In this case, all you want to do is tap on update and update your application to the latest version. Once the application is up to date, now the next thing you want to do is to head over to the settings. Inside settings, head over to general and then move into iPhone storage. Scroll all the way down and search for the application Roblox and then head over to it. Right here you can see the option of offload app. All you want to do is click on it. And once again click on offload app. Well, it will clear the cache and the storage of this application. Clearing the storage and cache will remove all of the unwanted bugs from the application. And it will make your application run smoothly. It might also fix the issue that you have been facing on Roblox. Once that's been done, but you are still facing this issue, then the next thing you want to do is simply uninstall the application and reinstall it again. Reinstalling the application will definitely fix the issue and then you'll be good to go. So this is the end of the video. I really hope this video is going to be helpful for you. Thank you for watching it till the end.